This is the StyleCraft Instinct Trimmer, known for having the special vector motor that its counterpart, the Instinct Clipper, also has. Now what does that mean? It's essentially a smart clipper that's going to speed up as it detects that there's a lot of bulk in the blade. So let's take a look at the trimmer itself. First impressions are everything. Both the barber and the client getting their service are going to be impressed to see a tool that looks like this on your station. It also does come with a zero gap setter that doubles as a blade protector. Now the black DLC blade is designed to keep your blade cool with all the power of this trimmer. It also comes with the one blade from StyleCraft already installed, and that's the one that helps you really hear a nice crispy crunch while you're shaving through hair. Now we can move on to looking at the extra lids that it comes with. Barbers love customizing their clippers. We have a matte black option, and we also have a metallic blue that comes with these gold accents and a see-through window so you can appreciate the look of the motor just like the red one. Moving on to the accessories. Barbers who like having as little clutter as possible, you're gonna love this because it uses the same exact dock that comes with the Instinct Clipper. You actually can use one dock for both machines. It snaps in perfectly, and if you do use that, as you know, you're gonna use the extra long charging cable that plugs straight into the wall. For our more at-home users, you also have the option to use the USB cable. But that's not the only innovation that they give you. You also have the universal blade setter, and this is game changing. The other ones in the market are specific to one brand. Innovation at its finest, you gotta love it. Since we're gonna be customizing our clippers, there is a chance that we can lose a screw or two. They're gonna give you the extra screws in this little baggie right here that can often be overlooked. It's gonna come with a little brush to clean, along with oil to keep your blades running sharp. I love that all of their tools come with this mini screwdriver if I need to make a quick adjustment on the fly. There actually is some good information inside the manual that it comes with, instructions on warranty. Don't forget to fill out the warranty card on the back, by the way. Now I'm sure you'd love to know what the trimmer sounds like by now. This is the first time ever a trimmer has had a clipper motor inside of it. Next, I'll be applying a little bit of pressure to the blade while it's running. I really want you to use your ears and listen to how this vector motor kicks into action. StyleCraft literally brought a smart trimmer to the market. The vector motor is going to make sure I continue to use it to debulk for my customers, and that black DLC blade is going to make sure that I keep my edges crispy. So place your orders as soon as possible at www.stylecraftus.com.